Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models' fourth update of our Lockdown GB. We've had a few finishes as well so far since the last update, so we'll just have a quick look at them. As you can see, we've got a nice couple of finished ones here. I'm just going to show you a couple. First one we have by Kitakaboodle. He has done a Matchbox 1/72 scale Denor DO18G1. And as you can see, all nicely finished, weathered up, painted, the works, all looking really nice. Love that camo scheme on there also. Love the pictures, always good to see a load of nice pictures to go with it as well. Helps me judge and wets our lips and gets us all wanting to build as well. Loads of nice pictures as you can see. Oh, and a nice collection just at the bottom. Another one that was finished as well was by Gak. He has done the 1/72 scale Edard MiG-21 MF, which was converted to a MiG-21 BIS-D, Croatian Air Force. And as you can see, all nicely done. I'm seeing you guys getting your work done a lot quicker now with this whole lockdown going on, so good to see a lot of modelling being done there. Nice to see a conversion as well with those little added things. I do believe he added resin and all this kind of good stuff, and that is looking really good. Next up in the build section we have Rob 4769. He's doing Airfix's 1/72 scale JU87B1. Looks like a very nice kit. I think I did an inbox review of this, I can't remember, but does look like a nice kit. I do remember looking at it once, and you know, really does look rather good. And as you can see, as we move down, you know, he's getting his pilot and everything done, getting the cockpit getting ready to go and everything, and I do believe he's got all that sort of nicely weathered up in there, which is looking all good also. Then we have MB13. He's doing a Great Wall Hobbies F15C. I think it's the 1/48 scale one. As you can see, looking really nice cockpit actually, with all that photo etch and everything. Really does look really smart, really sort of neat, nice and professional. I am liking that cockpit indeed. So that's good progress going on there, and he's just showing off the pieces. So that's all he's got done there, but I'm really looking forward to seeing this one. I do like the Great Wall Hobbies F15. Then we have VDBO76. He's working on Kinetics F104J, which is in 1/48 scale, and being VDBO76, you know, he does do some really good work. I think he's even won some Top Guns here at Genesis Models. So as you can see, really nice cockpit going on there. Love the seat belts and everything, all the instrument display panels and everything, nicely weathered. We got some nice exhaust cans here. They're looking really sort of realistic and nice. Cockpit coming together as you can see, and all that nice internal detail looking really nice. Love this natural metal finish that he's done just here on some doors. And moving along, that I think was it. Oh, and then he's sort of got a lot of the pieces sort of coming together, ready to probably, you know, a little bit more gluing and stuff, and probably getting some masking going on, ready for some spraying. And that's it, sadly, for this week's news update on the whole Lockdown GB. Hopefully you're all keeping safe and carrying on building and modelling. We got loads of you guys, if I just quickly show you as well, loads of people still entering this GB. I mean, we're on to page 2 now, so absolutely loads, more than I can actually sort of get through, but I'll keep these updates coming and keep you all up to date with the whole Lockdown GB. So until next time, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.